मिला तो वही लेवे फिर आराम लागेला तो वही मतलब से खान और उतना दिक्कत नहीं होवेला बच्चा मन ले भी हमरे मन ले भी तो वही से आइला
सुई लेने के लिए टीका लेने राशन लेते हैं फायदा होता है।
In Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand, village health and nutrition days were previously limited to routine immunization and distribution of supplementary nutrition rather than the full range of maternal and newborn child health and nutrition services envisioned under the National Rural Health Mission. Lack of required skills, essential equipment, and a functional supervisory system hampered the ability of frontline workers to provide the full range of VHND services with quality. The USAID supported an Intra-Health International-led Vistar project worked with the Departments of Health and Family Welfare and Integrated Child Development Services under the Department of Women and Child Development in 15 districts of Jharkhand and 8 districts of Uttar Pradesh to orient frontline workers on VHND guidelines, promote convergence and use of data, strengthen monitoring and supervision, enhance community awareness and participation, increase focus on equity and gender. District-level functionaries of the nodal departments were sensitized on the NRHM guidelines for village health and nutrition days. These forums also proved to be an ideal opportunity for the two departments to converge and discuss programmatic issues. The existing routine immunization microplan was modified into a more holistic VHND microplan to maximize the benefits from such a platform and reach the undeserved. Revising the microplan also entailed identifying the most appropriate site for the village health and nutrition days, which in some cases translated into a reorganization of sectors into more logical supervisory divisions. Subsequent orientation of the three key frontline workers, the ASHA, the auxiliary nurse midwife, and the Anganwadi workers, ensured their presence at the village health and nutrition days, leading to a marked improvement in the way these sessions were conducted. A comprehensive observation checklist was developed for the supervisors to monitor the quality of village health and nutrition days. Data compiled from the checklist has helped the nodal departments to improve the regularity and quality of VHNDs. An auto-analysis software package was also developed, which helps the district-level officials to take programmatic decisions. The project assisted district officials in developing a structured 3-hour capacity building module for orienting the three frontline workers on their roles and responsibilities at village health and nutrition days. Existing forums like the ASHA and auxiliary nurse midwife monthly meetings and Anganwadi worker and Mukhya Sevika sector meetings were utilized to build the capacity of the frontline workers in providing quality services during VHNDs.
वहाँ पे हमें मासिक बैठक में बताया जाता है कि कैसे कैसे ग्रुप बना करना है गांव में जाके उसी को हम वहाँ पे जो भी सिखाया जाता है उसी को आके हम अपने गांव में गिर भ्रमण द्वारा उसी गर्भवती महिला या बच्चे से मिलते हैं उस विषय में बात करते हैं और उसका बहुत सा असर हो रहा है। सब लोग बहुत जागरूक हो गए हैं और हम सब लोग बातों को मानते हैं, उसका ध्यान भी देती हैं और एक बार करने पर वो जहाँ भी बुलाओ चली भी आती हैं।
हम सेविका और सहिया और एनएम मिलके हम लोग भी लिस्ट पहले ही तैयार करते हैं। उसके बाद हम लोग पोषण स्वास्थ्य दिवस दिन हम लोग उन लोग को बुलाते हैं और बुला के तीनों मिल के हम लोग उनका टीकाकरण करवाते हैं।
The district administration was supported by the project in building the capacity of the supervisory cadre to provide supportive supervision. Formation of district-level task forces also helped strengthen monitoring of the sessions.
हम लाभार्थी को ICDS के लोग चूँकि वो सर्वे करते हैं और सर्वे के बाद उनके पास जो सूची रहती है तो उसके हिसाब से बच्चों को लाभार्थियों को बुलाते हैं और वहीं पे उनको पोषण का ज्ञान भी देते हैं। पोषण की सामग्री जैसे पुष्टाहार वगैरह उसका वितरण भी करते हैं।
VHND एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम है। VHND हमारा उद्देश्य है कि जो हमारे बच्चे और गर्भवती महिलाएं हैं वो दोनों सुरक्षित रहें। VHND का जो ये उद्देश्य है कि मैं गर्भवती महिलाओं का सही समय से टीकाकरण हो जाए, उनका एनसी चेकअप सही टाइम से हो जाए और उनको जो प्रॉपर जो डाइट है और जो मेडिसिन आयरन है, फोलिक एसिड है, वो उनको अवेलेबल हो जाए और उसके अलावा जो उनका रेफरल है पीएचसी पर रेफरल सही टाइम से हो।
Convergence between the two nodal departments continues to be strengthened at regular monthly interdepartmental forums, which includes review of village health and nutrition days data for tracking programmatic progress. Members of the Panchayati Raj institutions and mothers committees were oriented on their roles in rendering village health and nutrition days effective, which has resulted in increased community participation and advocacy and utilization of services. There has been an increase in the presence of the frontline workers at VHNDs. The number of VHND services provided have also shown an increase. Towards the end line, the participation of the recently delivered women has also reached nearly 90% across all the districts. The utilization of services like immunization and weighing of pregnant women, amongst other services, has also improved. Improving the reach and quality of services offered at Village Health and Nutrition Days is an essential step towards addressing the community's key health and nutrition needs and ensuring coverage of the poor and vulnerable.